Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening this Treasure X mini Dino box thing. It's basically a box. Inside there's a rock thing that you have to use some tools to dig a dinosaur out. And there's a small chance that you will get a real gold dipped treasure. But I don't think there will be much of a chance because we only have one box. So let me just show you all 8 of the levels. It's like this. So now I'm gonna open the box and then open the box and then take the treasures. Okay, there's a big treasure map inside this box that I would like to show you guys, which is this thing. It's like a checklist with these. Then there's also a lot of dinosaurs to collect. They're mini dinosaurs. And then there's this rock, which is packaged inside of this beautiful box. Okay, I got the tool out. It's like a very red tool. What? I see the rock. It's a rock. But I'm pretty sure it's just compact powder. Okay, I got the rock out. And there's also an X on top of the rock. And it's like a Treasure X thingy. But this name is just called Treasure X. So it's not that much of, I don't know. Can you give me some water? Oh my god, the plastic is already dying. There's already red stuff on top here. That means the plastic is not that good, so I'm just going to use my scissors and then stab it. Give me a screwdriver, please. This is way better than plastic. It's like metal. Okay, I just already stabbed a hole inside it. It's like sugar. I think I already touched one part. Okay. You see? There's a hole in there already. I really want to eat it. I want to eat the rock. It's just like a block of hard sugar. Does this bottle have water? No, it's dry. Time to take it out. Okay, God. Okay, I found one. It's purple. It's elastic. It's probably a bag. It is a bag. It's so high up. Guys can see? Zoom in. It's like candy. I can't believe I digged I digged so little. I don't know how to say in this much of a period of time. Okay, I got the bag out. Not quite. Is this tall? Probably not gonna be candy, right? It looks like it. Well, I already got some out. Guys, see? It looks like candy, right? It's just like those mints inside of, oh, it's not a candy. I see it already. This screwdriver is rocks. It's B blossom. Okay, I've got a bit of it out. Just gonna poke here. Never mind, that's not where I'm supposed to be poking. Okay, I got another piece out. Okay, I got another piece out. It's not out. I just see it. I hope I'm not breaking it. Okay, I got some of it out. Guys, look, it's a dino feet. Look, it's dino feet. One of its legs. Okay, I think that's its scalp. Pretty sure. I've almost got it out. I'm gonna use my hands. But thank goodness it wasn't like candy. Might have got buried by all these debris. Okay, cracked open. It's gigantic. Okay, I've got its scalp. It's kind of white. Can you zoom? It's like very dirty. I think I found another one. Hope I don't poke my own finger. Okay. I got another one of its legs. Just gonna break this rock. Wow, so much pink. I love this. So fun. That's so much parts. How am I supposed to get all this out? Okay, another plastic bag. Alert. It's a big part. Actually, I'm gonna just get that small part out. Can you guys see there's so much parts in here? It's pink. Literally. Literally about to crack this whole thing apart. And eat it. Also. Okay, it's out. Look. And I think this is, I think I found its body. It's also pink. Let's check what we might have got. Oh, we got rhinosaur. It's this one. We got this one. It's purple. Makes sense because we got all purple parts of organs. I mean parts of its body. But there's also no other purple dinosaur, so I think this must be it. But it's not even getting out. Oh, it's here. Here it says crooked leg about to snap open. I found a rubber. Oh, it's like one of those bug thingies. I'm gonna take that out. It's like squishy, but I already poked a couple holes inside it. It's actually not that hard to break open. You just need like a patience. But I don't have that apparently. So it's hard. I think it's like a beetle or every single other one. This looks like a beetle too. This won't work. I'm using this one precisely. I have patience. Okay, actually I'll use this one. The top is very rough, actually. The bottom is not that rough. It's just like powdered sugar. It looks like powdered sugar and white sand. Okay, I got it. Almost. I think it's the mysterious mosquito or an X-beetle. It's just mosquitoes. It's definitely the mosquito. Not definitely, but I think so. No, it is the mosquito. There's no way that it isn't. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to like rub it. Rub it. Rubbish. 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 Okay, now it's out. It's out. It's out. We got its heart. Okay. Here's a mysterious mosquito. Please. It looks like it's about to eat my head. But not possible. But later I think we also have other thing to do, which is like the hardest part, because I don't know how to build. Which is build the dinosaur. The dinosaur. Oh, I got it out. Never mind. Why do we have to break these blocks? Well, that's the fun of this thing. Otherwise, I wouldn't buy it. Okay, now it's out. Out. Okay, yeah. That's body. You probably can't see it. Where's the... Okay, now it's time to how do I say this? It's time to build the dinosaur. I inhaled some of these stupid things. Let me just get my scissors. Where's my scissors gone? Oh, it's here. Never mind. Oh, here. Why is its head white? Do we have to paint it? No, it's supposed to be white. Oh. Just open it for me. Oh my god, what in the world was that? Why does this itself look like the scariest mosquito? These are its legs. Never mind. So how do I hang this on? Maybe I'll just put the head on first. Okay, I got the head on. Just need its hands and legs. This is here, right? We're just gonna pretend we actually sticked it on. And, oh yeah, it's already stuck. Where? Okay. Got 2 arms. Two left. Oops. Never mind. We don't need that anyways. Oh, they're already extinct. How am I supposed to bring them back? Actually, I'll just separate it and use the key to cut its head. Okay, got it out. So I guess this mysterious mosquito has dinosaur DNA, because I thought scientists were trying to find it, right? I thought they were gonna find a mosquito inside a rock and then get its DNA, dinosaur DNA. But I don't think that's ever gonna happen. Like never. So, bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Bye.